Have you seen the show New Amsterdam? It's a TV series about a hospital in a large city, and they have funding issues. And the chief administrator is one of the doctors, and he is trying to help every department and every person with the problems that they have. And so he's got a line that he uses constantly. He listens to people's problems because they're always coming to him for, this isn't working. I need this. This isn't enough. And this isn't working right. And, they just keep coming to him with all their complaints. And basically he says, how can I help? So, how can I help? It's a beautiful phrase to use in all of our businesses. And from the marketing standpoint, how to market and promote your business. If you come at things like from the standpoint of how can I help? How can I serve? What can I do? It's a lot different than let me tell you about what I do. And that flip really helps people understand that you're on their side, you're there trying to match what you provide to what they need, and you're really solving problems for them. So that's really what they want, right? I mean, they want something fixed or they want to feel a certain way, right? They're trying to feel better about something going on, or they literally need something fixed. That's pretty much why people buy anything. And so that is a really great line, and I really like that. So, how can I help? Right? So, think about that when you're writing something or responding to somebody. If you think about it from that point of view, you might be able to, develop some different kinds of answers from people. And then, of course, I would throw that question out to you as well today. So, how can I help you? How can I help you today? What is your issue of any sorts with, digital communications or your general corporate marketing? Let me address that. Let me throw out an idea. Let me see if I can come up with something that you haven't thought of. Let me help you. So, book a call and let's talk about that.